Greetings and welcome to this video. My name is Jin. Today I'll be teaching you about the Warrior I, known as Virabhadrasana I as well. The Warrior I is similar to the Warrior II in terms of the benefits that you're going to get. Of course, the difference is the pose. The Warrior I takes a front pose, whereas the Warrior II widens your stance in that pose. I will be teaching both sides, and you're more than welcome to join in. First off, we need to set ourselves up so that we're safe with the joints. So bring your feet together, and what you do is take one leg forwards and the back leg, sometimes the heel might lift. Go a little bit further back and see if you can press the back heel down. If there's a little bit of a struggle, widen the stance so that the legs are hip width apart. Next thing to note, front knee slightly bent but in line with the toes. The back heel really presses down to the floor. It can be at 90 if it's more comfortable, or at 45, or the aim is to bring the toes forwards. The last thing is hands to the hips, guide the hips forwards. That's the basic stance for your Warrior I. Now, to support the workout, we take a big breath in to engage the core and breathe our shoulders down to relax. Bracing the core will always protect your lower back, so it avoids any lower back issues. Relaxing the shoulders will take the issues off, the stresses around your shoulders. Okay, now stay here as you feel the heat on the top of the front leg. And you're going to feel the heat in the glutes, but the stretch on your calves. 2 more breaths, so breathing in, breathe down to the ground. 1 more, breathe in, pull yourself tall, not the shoulders, just yourself through the spine. And then breathe down 1 more time to deepen your hips down. And then releasing. Shake it off. I'll show you the side profile before we make a change to the legs. So it's just like a Warrior II stance where one of your knees bent and the other one is straightened down. Let's give the other side a try. So stepping the other leg forwards. You can follow me, just mirror me. Again, same thing, the back heel might lift, you might wobble. Widen the stance, press so you feel the stretch down your calves. Then bring your hips facing forwards and see if you can bring it downwards. Front knee in line with the toes. Remember, you can soften it as long as you feel the heat on the legs. Then take a breath in to set up. Tuck the belly in. Keep the core tight. Breathe out. Stay strong here, but stay relaxed here. 2 more breaths. Take a breath in and out. 1 more. Stretching down the calves, heating up the glutes, and strengthening the front foot. There we go. Then releasing in. If that's too easy for you, you can always stay for 4 breaths, 5 deep breaths, keep it going. And then after you're done, shake your foot. And that's all for today's video. So what do you think? Have you got any comments or feedback, anything you want to add on? Please share the love, share the knowledge, put it into the comments, and I will get to you. If not, have a good day. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.